Step 4, first thing we're going to do is put the console on. There's several wires to plug in. They can only plug into one spot. Just be sure they're plugged in snugly. And then hold that console in place and put the 4 screws that hold the console to the console mast. Next you're going to attach the handlebar cover. Just snaps into place. Then we'll be putting the left and the right pedals on. The one on the left side does have reverse threading, so you're going to turn it counterclockwise. On the right side, you're going to turn it clockwise to get it tight. Make sure both of these pedals are tight. Then we're going to put the rear stabilizer cover on. It's just held on with 2 Phillips head screws. And then the front stabilizer cover, it's also held on with 2 Phillips head screws. Next we're going to attach the seat to the seat post and use the 14mm wrench to tighten that seat down.